Hi Ghouls, welcome back to my channel. Elizabeth here. Thank you so much for coming back and enjoying all the fun stuff I continue to show you guys. I love doing this. I love showing you guys some behind the scenes of what I do in my creative process. And if you have not subscribed yet, make sure to hit the button down below to subscribe, and make sure to leave a comment and like and leave a thumbs up so I could know that you guys want me to bring you more behind the scenes videos on how I do my work and new pieces that I'm coming up with. So in this video, I'm excited to show you guys a behind the scenes on how I made the dress I wore for my friend's wedding. Don't worry Ghouls, I made sure to make 2 of these dresses for I could have one to sell to you guys and one to keep for me. This dress is one of my favorites because it's versatile. You could wear it as a mini dress, you could wear it as a full-on dress, and I love it. So I made this dress for my friend's wedding and I absolutely loved it. It was something I usually don't go for off-the-shoulder dresses, but I risked it and I said, you know what, I want to try something new. So I went ahead and did this design of an off-the-shoulder that is long sleeve, and it has a tulle trimming up on the neckline, and it also has it on the cuffs of the sleeves. And the best part is that this is a 2-in-1 dress, and you guys are gonna love this. So it's 2-in-1 dress. The first piece is a full-on dress. It's a midi dress, so it hits right mid-thigh, the dress, when it's short, and then it has a removable skirt that you can make it look long. And from the wedding, I wore it with a removable skirt. I wanted to give it more of that classy, elegant. So for the wedding, I wore it with the removable skirt. I loved it. I got so many compliments. So I made sure that when I was creating this piece, this dress for me to wear to my friend's wedding, I knew you guys were gonna love it. I made sure to make 2 of these dresses for I could have one for me and one for me to sell to you guys. And it's gonna be in a size 10, the other piece. So I'll make sure to put it on my website this week or next week. I'll make sure to put it up for you guys to have that one-of-a-kind that comes with a removable skirt. So it'll be a 2-for-1, a dress and a skirt in this one piece. When I thought of this, it came to me at the last minute. I didn't even know what to design, and it came to me that, oh, I wanted to make something versatile, because most of the time when I wear things to weddings, I never end up wearing them again. So I thought of, you know what, why don't I design? So I made the short dress piece, and then I thought of the skirt afterwards. I realized this could be a versatile piece. You can make it look like a long dress, or you can have it a short dress and you could wear the skirt with anything else, any other piece you want. Like you could dress it down, you could dress it up, however you want. You could even wear the short dress with thigh-high boots, and then you could wear the skirt with like a t-shirt or heels or sneakers, however you want to wear it. And I love this piece so much. It's a major staple in my wardrobe now because I love wearing the skirt on my downtime because it looks classy. I could dress up any t-shirt with this skirt and it looks so beautiful. I love it. So I knew I was gonna love this piece so much because it was versatile. So I'm so happy I made an extra one for you guys. I'm going to show you Ghouls how I made this dress. And every new piece I start making, whether it's for an event or for a new piece in my collection. Like this piece right here is a cape that I just finished making. Unfortunately, my video got squashed. My phone ended up not saving my video. I don't know why. And it was just corrupted the video, so I lost it. It was sad. I hated it, but this piece that I have right here, this cape, is one of the new pieces I'm going to put up on my website as well. So here are some behind the scenes on how I made this dress for my friend's wedding and how it came out. The outcome was more than I expected. I love this piece. ghouls enjoyed me showing you my process on how I made this dress, some behind the scenes, because I know you guys always be asking me, oh, how do you make this, how do you make that, and you guys want to see more on how I do things. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll make sure to put up on my website the extra dress that I made for you guys to purchase. Just remember, it's going to be in a size 10, and it is going to be a full-on dress. It's going to be a two-piece dress, so it's going to come with the skirt and the dress. So either you could make the dress short or long, however you want, but it'll be up in this week or next week. And please make sure to hit that button down below to subscribe. Don't forget to comment and like. And I wanted to share another thing with you guys. And I want to thank you ghouls I want to thank all of you who have purchased stuff from my website and have purchased merchandise. Your help means the world to me. I can't thank you ghouls enough. Thank you so much to all of you, my subscribers. I look forward to every week sharing a little bit of my world with you guys. And thank you so much. I want to share with you ghouls another exciting thing I've created with my sister. So me and my sister have created a podcast channel. Our podcast channel is called Pink Drinks and Black Tea. And when you guys look at our title, you guys will know it basically describes who we are as two people, how different we are, but yet we still learn to understand each other. And the pink drinks is her and I'm the black tea. I will link it down below for you guys to hear it on SoundCloud. And we have our own YouTube channel that we put up our podcasts weekly. And it's exciting because we're like, I hope you guys love it. We're like two different people because we're like the yin and the yang to each other's relationship. I'm more of a dark fashion type of girl. She's girly. She's totally opposite of me. She's very into all the pink and the girly stuff and the glamour. And we both love fashion. That's what brings us together. And we both understand each other so well. And it's just a fun channel for you guys to see how two different minds, people from two different things that they like, could come together. And I'm more of the alternative, gothic, or dark fashion. I love Halloween. I like everything black. So you guys will see our journey on how we help each other through our career lives. So make sure to check out our podcast channel because you guys would love it, how you'll see two different worlds come together. And it's just fun how we always have laughs. But make sure, I'm not going to give it all away, but make sure to go check out our podcast channel to get more of an understanding of why we named our channel that. And make sure to go leave some comments on our podcast channel so we can know if you guys are interested in any topics or anything you guys want us to talk about. And I want to thank you ghouls all so much for continuing to support me and my channel and my work. And I can't wait what the future brings. And make sure to check out my social media accounts because that's where I give you guys a sneak peek of new things that I'm working on and what new videos are upcoming. And thank you so much ghouls, and I'll see you next time ghouls. Bye.